guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix missing enter key in WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your enter key is missing in your WhatsApp, then I will show you how to return that or how to fix the enter key issue on your WhatsApp. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp. Here I will type something to show you the missing enter key. I will type just hi. Below you can see top right side bottom there is no enter key option here. You can see direct send button. If you want to return the enter key, for that you just need to go back. You can see a top right side three dot, just tap on that, just tap on the settings. You can see a second option chat, just tap on that. Under chat setting you can see enter is send. If this option is enabled, you just need to disable this option. After disabling this option, your enter key will be returned. Again I will open the WhatsApp. Here I will show you. Here I will type something to show you. Guys, you can see before there was a send button here. Now you can see enter key here. You can directly come to the second line. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix missing enter key in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.